Just want to give a quick shout out to all the fathers out there. Happy Father's Day to all my fellow men. Being a father has been one of the single greatest gift of my life. It's helped me to evolve into a stronger man. And I always say I feel that I've learned more from my daughter. She's been my greatest teacher in my life. I feel I've learned more from her than she can ever teach me, because I'm very observant. I'm always trying to learn from everything that happens in my life. I feel there's always a lesson, something to be learned from it. And I feel that, that father, that role is one of the most underappreciated, undervalued roles in society. But yet, when you look at the statistics and you see, men lie, women lie, but numbers never lie. I love numbers. And when you look at the statistics, they're very telling. It's staggering. Over 80% of the women that are in prison grew up without a father figure, without a male role model. Same thing goes for women that are strippers. Over 80% of them didn't have a positive male role model figure in their life, and it's so important. Something happens when the father isn't in the life, and men and women were completely different, and so a child needs different things from the woman as it does from the man, and a child looks up to a man, seeing exactly how a strong masculine man should behave, how a man should interact with other men, how a man should treat other women, how a man should be a leader and go after what they want in life. They need to see that masculine energy that just goes for what they want in life, takes for what they want in life, and protects what is theirs. And so, I just want to give a shout out to all the men out there who are taking an active role in raising their children, because it's so important. And I hope someday society wakes up and realizes the importance and just how important it is for a child to have a positive male role model figure in their life. And I know a lot of women nowadays like to, act like they can just do it all alone, but to realize that it's within the child's best interest to have the father play a part in the child's life, whether you're together or not. But that just having that positive male role model, especially the actual biological father, just makes such a huge difference in the emotional development of a child. So, quick shout out, happy Father's Day to all my fellow men out there who are doing their thing and playing, taking responsibility and raising their children. And until next time, guys, hope you're having a great day, a great week, a great month, a great year. Let's make it a great life. See ya.